birthday to an elder statesman. 45,000 well-wishers assemble at West Branch, Iowa for the dedication of the new Herbert Hoover Library on the former president's 88th birthday. Here, state papers and mementos of Mr. Hoover's long and fruitful career will be preserved for study by historians. The cottage where Mr. Hoover was born is a few yards from the library that is being dedicated in ceremonies that see former President Truman joining with Mr. Hoover for the gala event. The Hoover Library, like the Eisenhower, Truman, and Roosevelt libraries, will be part of the National Archives. After receiving a warm tribute from Mr. Truman, Mr. Hoover took the occasion to ask for a council of free nations to fight communism. To climax this day of honors, Mr. Hoover receives a Distinguished Service Award from fellow engineers, and two universities, Missouri and Washington, confer honorary degrees. The nation pays tribute to a man who has dedicated his life to public service.